Welcome to AimBetter Academy. We invite you to learn about AimBetter Server's performance monitoring solution. With AimBetter, you'll find the root causes for performance issues in a fast and easy way. This video will explain the Home tab. Home tab is the first tab you will see when you enter the system. And it is the first tab in the main menu. On the left side under Sites, you will find the list of companies whose servers are being monitored. When you click the arrow beside a company's name, you can expand and see all the hosts and servers related to that given company. The icon beside each server indicates the host or server's platform. In the search field, you can search for a specific company, host, or server. Alongside it, there is an indication of the total quantity of monitored servers and the number of servers that had alerts in the last hour. The main section displays the status of each server in the selected layer. The top layer, Sites, includes all the servers. You can change the layer by clicking on a specific company, host, or server in the left bar. The status of each server goes back 60 minutes, and it shows a timeline with 1-minute intervals that are color-themed according to their severity. The colors are red for the highest severity, orange for medium severity, and yellow for the low severity issues. Green means that there are no alerts in these intervals. Beneath the colored line, it is specified which kind of alerts were received and their severity by the color code. Details that appear in blue indicate changes that have been tracked. For example, installations, version updates, drive addition, database addition, and more. On the right-hand side, there are also details about CPU usage, memory free, busy time, and network. You can click on the colored lines to expand them and see more information about each alert. The default configuration is to display the last 60 minutes, but you can change in the calendar view the end time to display yet another hour. All you have to do is click on the calendar field, set the end time, and then simply click on Apply. And we're glad we got a chance to show you how to use this aspect of AimBetter's platform. Please check our YouTube channel or website for more tutorials.